Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a final unboxing from the LVX Takashi Murakami 20th anniversary, the cherry last collection of the year. Yeah, I have been unboxing since the launch of January, and we're at the end of August, and the final piece, which came by delivery, finally arrived yesterday, and I decided to sit down and unbox that as well together with you. This I've been waiting for 2 months, and since it finally arrived, I decided to maybe just do one unboxing together. So I have two pieces to reveal today, and it's going to be the final pieces. And yeah, I just wanted to show it. By now I have collected everything from the entire Murakami packaging collection. So as you can see, I'm obsessed with packaging. I was very blessed and lucky to get these boxes from my CA in Hong Kong, and I recently been in touch with her to collect my last boxes, and I asked whether she had more of the cherry like packaging, and she mentioned that they actually did a restock of packaging. I was really surprised. And so with the purchase, and today I'll be opening this box. This is actually the first time receiving the cherry box in this size. I previously got one that's in kind of like the sunglasses size, and then I have three of the slightly shorter version. That's my favorite size because I actually use these boxes to store things. So, and she also gave me two additional medium-sized box, which I also am actively using to store things. It's just so much prettier than like other boxes, that I think having the entire packaging is really a entirely different type of happiness when you are into these type of design. Okay, so with this purchase, it came with the shopping bag. I actually have all the cherry shopping bags in the different sizes. There's a small one, and then like a relatively medium sized one, a longer version, which I have several. And yeah, so I'm really happy that I got the full collection and the boxes so that I could put my own things. And I also received the stickers, which I was really surprised to see. Yeah, the cherry stickers, I'm not going to show it here because I've already done an unboxing showing the stickers, but yeah, now I have two of the cherry stickers, and one from the first and second collection. Actually no, the LV hand stickers from the first multicolor and super fat collection. And it also came with another Hong Kong bag tags, or yeah. So I have several of them, and I also gifted away to several of my friends. So now let's quickly unbox to see what this is. Oh, I also got the cherry tissue paper, which I did not expect to see. I was like, wow, so surprised. So I really definitely do have the full packaging now. And I basically got the last, and I would call it the trio of the cherry bandeau. This is the one in brown tan color, monogram with the cherries. And on the other side, it's just going to be plain monogram. These are all 100% silk, and I believe they are all made in Italy. Let's see. Yes. So that says made in Italy. And I've been obsessed with all of the Murakami silks. So at first I didn't think I needed all three, but then I only wanted the denim one originally, which I have here. And then once I got the Neverfull denim bag, I felt that the white bandeau will look better, or the best, with that bag. And so I also got the white one. And so now I decided, why not just get all three to make it a trio? Because I'm like a semi-collector at heart. So yeah, just a close-up of all three. Okay. And last but not least, the final item I've been waiting for from this collection. And that's this box right here. So let me put some of this stuff away to make room for the unboxing. It's actually a much larger box, and I have to be careful with it because it does come with the fragile sticker. Okay, we got another shopping bag. That's good to see. Okay, let's see. Yay, we have another stickers. Okay, since it's here, I should really open it and show it to my viewers. This is the 20th anniversary sticker, the single cherry, the cherry blossom, the double cherry, the happy face, and the LV hands, which is different from the first drop. So now that's out of the way. Again, I'm going to put the first unboxing time in the description below so that you can skip straight into the unboxing. I know some people love to just watch the unboxing part. And this is the rest of the returning stuff if you didn't want to keep it. So, put that aside. And then, this is the box it comes with. Okay, so it also came with the gift tag. And again, the back, it's going to say Hong Kong. Do you guys have any guesses of what this could be? I mean, the box is not normally a type of box I receive. It's usually the magnetic, or now with the little white or the orange kind of tile opening. But this is a different box because this is actually not from the fashion line of Louis Vuitton Murakami, but the houseware department. So let's open it like this, and ta-da! This is what I decided to get from the Murakami Cherry Collection. Actually, let me put that down. And then this looks like to be actually in Japanese. Porcelain, it says. Wow, okay. So this is the LV teacup set. I got 2 teacups and 2 plates, sauce plates. Made in France, Louis Vuitton x Murakami Porcelain de l'Image, made in France. I took French for like 9 years when I was younger. I don't pretend I know French, but I can read a little bit. So it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cherries across. And this is the plate that comes with it, 4 cherries. This is so beautiful. Let's see the back of this plate. So it's the same. both made in France. I guess all of these pieces are made in France. So 2 of the plates. And let's take a closer look at this one as well. It'd be lovely. I mean, I usually drink coffee more than tea, but the coffee set was not available and the tea set came available 2 months ago. And when I saw it, I just bit the bullet and decided to order it, add it to cart and paid. And then like within 5 minutes it was already gone. So I probably got the last one and I didn't think it would take like several months to arrive. I actually called LV last month to follow up and they said, oh, they did mention that online this could take up to, I don't know, like 5 to 6 months before it arrives. So the latest I was thinking was to get it like during Christmas, but I was happy to get an email to say that this was shipping to me and it only arrived in 2 months. But yeah, so this is the final cherry Murakami piece from LV that I bought. So if you like this type of content and you still have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would greatly appreciate it. And I hope everyone have a great day and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.